Hey guys, so welcome. This is how to add multiple email accounts in Outlook. So guys, if you want to add an account, first open up the Outlook software. And then once you are here, select the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. And you should be able to have an option over here, add an account. So go ahead and select that. And from here, just simply provide the email address that you want to add to. And after that, select connect. And from here, guys, it will let you sign in into your account. So just simply select next over here. And after that, log in into your Google account. Select this one over here and select continue in order for them to be synced in. And after that, you may close this browser as you can see over here. And let's go back to the Outlook. And from here, as you can see, the account successfully added, and you can just simply select done and you're finished. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.